So asthma is basically a chronic inflammatory condition. Through airways are the pipes, breathing pipes through which air goes inside and goes into the lungs. So what happens is chronic inflammation, and this inflammation leads to constrictions or narrowing of the airways, production of mucus, irritation, and therefore the symptoms of asthma.
Okay, so if someone has just a dry cough, can it be labeled as an asthma, or asthma needs a more detailed evaluation regarding?
So more often than not, people mistake that dry cough is just like a cold or a general influenza, part of influenza, but cough can also be a symptom of asthma. It's called as cough variant asthma. It's a variety of asthma where cough comes on and off episodically several times and it doesn't subside. It gets triggered by things like cold, dust or smoke exposure.
Yes, these are all the symptoms, but how do you label someone as asthma? If someone is coming to you with a cough or say allergy or some breathing trouble, so how do you label someone as asthma?
So asthma is diagnosed both clinically when patient comes with the typical symptoms and signs of asthma on examination, and also we do what is called as a pulmonary function test or a spirometry, which is a blowing test which tells us how the lungs are functioning. But in certain times what happens is, even for people who have cough variant asthma, the spirometry can be normal sometimes as well.